Hi everyone, I'm Justin with VMP Performance, and I am excited to talk with you about our 2019 event schedule. So every year we head out to a lot of car shows, Mustang and racing events, and we actually take our mobile dyno trailer with us. We pull it behind the truck, we load the truck up with parts and accessories, we bring our laptops and our tuning software, and we actually dyno tune vehicles and install parts right there at the event for you. Our schedule for 2019 includes some great events. The first one is Ponies in the Smokies, which is in the Sevierville, Gatlinburg, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee area. It's set up at the convention center. There's tons of Mustangs, there's tons of room, and we will be running the mobile dyno Friday and Saturday. The next event is Shelby Fest in Jefferson City, Missouri. That's also a multi-day event where we'll have the dyno, superchargers, doing head unit swaps. After that, we've got the Carlisle Ford Nationals show. That's another multi-day event, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, where the VMP mobile dyno will be set up and the rollers will almost be constantly turning based on past experience. We started doing Carlisle about 3 or 4 years ago, and it is always jam-packed. At these events, we do everything from basic tunes with an SCT or an HP Tuner's N-Gauge to head unit swaps of our VMP Gen 2R and Gen 3 superchargers. And for 2019, we're going to start offering intake manifold swaps because the 18-19 manifold swap is so popular on the 11 to 17 Coyotes. We've got specific pricing for that, and then you can add any options you want, like porting or dyno tuning, even basic stuff like throttle body swaps. If you've got a Roush car and you've got the Twin 60 or you've got a GT500 with the stock Twin 60 throttle body, VMP 67's a great upgrade. Makes another 20 to 30 rear wheel horsepower. If you're a VMP tuning customer, we can update your tune no charge. If you're not a customer, you can become one. One of the other things that we do at these events is supercharger pulley swaps. If you have a GT500 and you're not real comfortable with using the special tool required to swap the pulley, that's something we do out at shows. If you've got a Coyote with a Roush or VMP supercharger kit, pulley swaps are really easy. It's only 6 bolts, but that's something we can do for you as well. And then we can even dyno tune the car afterwards. If you just need some basic maintenance, new plugs, we'll be doing that as well. If you're concerned about your current setup and whether the fuel system is going to be able to hold up to all the racing and everything that you plan to do this summer, we have boosters with us. VMP plug-and-play boosters can be installed and tuned right there at the show for you. Bigger injectors. And once again, it all goes back into the tuning. We will have our VMP mobile dyno jet there with us to get your car dialed in right on the spot. There's also some events we'll be at without the VMP mobile dyno. We will be at the American Muscle Show, Mustang Week, and Mod Motor Nationals. And at those events, we'll have lots of VMP products and t-shirts on display for sale. But a big thing is, if you're a tuning customer already, we'll be able to review data logs or update your tuner if necessary. We just won't be able to dyno tune. Most importantly, these events book up quickly. So if you're interested, call the VMP sales and support line now. You can also check out the description for more specifics on event date, location, and the VMP event services menu. Myself and the whole team at VMP are really excited about the 2019 event schedule. We hope to see you out there. If you can't make it out, make sure you subscribe to our channel to see all of our event coverage. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time.